What's happening, people? How you doing? My name is Alex Super Mental. The heaviest band on planet Earth released a new song. It's called Hostage, and I'm about to check it out. You know what? I just want to say a few words about Fit for an Autopsy. Fit for an Autopsy. I love the band, I really do. But I think most of the songs are so depressive, man. Why? Why, guys? We need positivity in life because the world is so freaking dark at the moment. You know what I mean? Please subscribe to my channel and let's go. Pow! Yep. There you go. So positive, isn't it? Video is in black and white. I don't understand anything, but it doesn't matter. That guitar thing, how you call this? Guitar technique. That sound. I heard some melodies there. Cool. Trying to understand the melody. So many vocal layers in this chorus. Ah! Go! Such a cool guitar tone. Oh my god. Guys, I'm just trying to listen, you know what I mean? There's so many different melodies, cool guitar riffs, I like it. Will Putney. You know, I play guitar too. I recognize this guy. He's in with his stuff. You will drown with it, buddy. Obviously, the vocal is just so emotional. But dude. So much going on in this song. So many melodies, drums playing their own thing, the vocal is screaming and singing. All right, let's talk about it. You know what? I like the sound. I really love the production, and I like a lot of stuff about this band. And probably, by the way, the lyrics are freaking awesome too. I didn't read them yet, but I bet they are great. But what I want to say, at some point it felt like there was too much of information coming out from all the instruments, including vocals. It felt like they wanted to fit in all the greatest riffs and melodies into one song. And I'm not gonna lie, at some point it was a bit too much for me. Sorry for a bit of criticism from me, but this is what I think, and I really want to be honest with you. Okay, it felt like there was no free space to breathe in the song. All right, this is what I think, my friends, and I'll give this song today 7 out of 10. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. You know my name. My name is Alex Supermental. Love, peace, and heavy metal. Have fun, people. Summer is outside. You know what I mean?